In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Monkey app. Monkey is a social app that connects you to random people for live video chats. To get started, head over to your Play Store or App Store and start searching for the Monkey app and start installing it. Once done, open the app and sign up using your email or phone number and set up your profile with basic information. And once inside the app, click on both. And as you can see before you can start matched with someone else, you need to first join and pay for the monthly plus subscription. But you can also get free credits by watching ads. Just tap the watch button and select the gender you would like to get matched and simply click on the start match button. From there, you can swipe to skip or continue chatting if the conversation feels comfortable. During a chat, you can also mute, skip, or end the call anytime. If the vibe feels off, just swipe and move on. If you like a conversation, you can even add the person as a friend and chat again later inside the app. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!